Hi guys, today we're going to look at deck washout ports and whether or not they work. This is my Craftsman lawn tractor with a 54-inch cut deck. Before I started using this year, I was looking at whether or not to actually use the deck washout port. So I read a little bit online and I've read some negative things, and it wasn't until I came across Steve's Small Engine Saloon's video about deck washout ports where he actually did a test on them, and it seemed to work pretty good but not fantastic. So I've run it the entire season. I haven't done anything to clean underneath that deck. I've got the mulching chute cover on there, so it should either be clean or it should be a mess, or maybe a mix of both. So I'm going to take that deck off and take a look, and we'll see how well this thing works. So before I get started, I'm just going to point out this port right here is the one that I used to clean. When I bought this tractor used, it was broken off, so I ordered this one off of Amazon, and there's one on the other side. I installed the second one, but the second one doesn't do anything to clean. I think it has to be at a certain point, depending on the direction that the blades are turning. So this is the port I've been using to clean, and as you can see, everything is fairly dirty under there because I haven't done a very good job of cleaning everything this year. So let's get that off and see what it looks like. Alright, so now we've got the deck out. We're gonna flip it over and see what it looks like underneath. Alright, so here we have it flipped over, and now you can see here it actually looks really clean. Wow, there's a lot less on here than I expected, except for in this spot here. So it looks like that corner, which would be the front left edge, there seems to be a bit of a buildup in that corner, but even that doesn't seem that bad. It's only maybe a ½ inch thick, and just in that one little corner and a tiny bit there, but the rest, wow, actually looks really clean. It's right down to the bare metal. We've got a little bit of built up here, but it's maybe 3/16 an eighth thick. Yep, it's really clean. Here we've got just a tiny bit of build up, so little. Wow, I'm actually really impressed. Yep, so I'm gonna say that using those washout ports actually works really good, and I think I'm gonna keep doing it. So there you have it. How about you guys comment on the comments below and let me know how you fared with these washout ports. Have they worked for you or have they not? Alright, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.